Hello, people. Hi. I'm trying really hard to make sure that you guys can hear me because there is traffic and I am driving because I just landed in fill in the blanks. Where do you think your Arya would have landed? Good guess. It's wonderful to be back. I've had a very beautiful flight just now. In fact, as we speak, I'm driving to the hotel. And I was seated next to Pankaj Udasa. And just the energy this gentleman has. His voice, I wanted to be shameless enough to say, sir, 2 line ga dijiye na, please. He's just amazing. What a beautiful soul. So had, the kind of flight that makes you feel like I'm surrounded with good energy and good people. And then I landed to the warmest welcome with all the Kammagani, and Aryaji is back in her home space. So very warm welcome at the airport. So my beaming should tell you. I have missed you guys, and it's been a lot of healing, a lot of resting, a lot of exercising, and just getting back in the zone, and to finally be back in the city, to be in Jaipur, makes me feel like I'm picking it up exactly where I left it off. And yes, I cannot wait to bring Arya season 3 to you. Sooner the better. How you doing? Happy? All good? Not good? No problem. It will get better. You know how I know? Because there's truth in that. Everything will end well. If it doesn't, it isn't the end yet. Yes? Wow, these are big, big messages. What's up? Oh, Janiman. Hi, Akshay. You're amazing too. I'm doing well, Sandhu. I'm doing much better, Dali. I am, in fact, very, very excited to come live just at this very moment to wish all of you all, Bengali or not, a Shubho Noboborsho. Happy New Year. To new beginnings, to good health, to love, to acceptance, to gratitude. There's just so much of that surrounding my life at the moment, I cannot even begin to tell you. Yeah. My God, and everybody thought I was big on emojis. You guys have to see my kind of people right there with this big emoji collection. Yeah. Please keep the emoji part of you alive, guys. Never be more serious. Or, yeah. Putting a full stop and an exclamation. An emoji is a must. Yeah? I'm reading alongside. And another very bumpy ride. I hope you guys can hear me. My audio is clear, right, guys? Okay. You want to hear that line? अर्ज किया है ये मैंने इतने बार सुनाया है फिर भी you ask for it, so I shall say it again. हम किसी से खुशियां मांगे ये हमें मंजूर नहीं, मांगी हुई खुशियों से किसका भला होता है, जितना अपनी तकदीर में लिखा है वो जरूर अदा होता है. That one was specially for you. Yes, Janeman, I'm glad. Aww. Yes, and I'm reading. You have a great year ahead too. Wow, so many of you are live at the moment, yeah? Wow. Thank you. Hi. So many hearts. Now tell me something about you guys. All good? You know everything about my life. Time to share yours. Anything that I should know of? Very important types? Huh? Uh-huh. Yeah. You know, this message exactly is something that I thank God for. So many of you often write in and say, I want to meet you once in my life. And every time I read that message, I think, wouldn't that be a privilege? I hope that that has happened because I think I'm a live experience. And the warmest, tightest hug awaits you whenever that does happen, love. To meet you all in person someday will be a pleasure and an honor for me. Because a lot of you, in so many ways, have been a source of great strength and love and support. It's easy to do that through one generation, maybe. I've had at least 2 generations do that over 3 decades. That's a big time, you know? Okay, this road is going to get bumpier by the second. So I basically just called in to say, back to life. It's good to be back. And Shubho Novoborsho. Happy New Year's, guys. Stay happy, stay blessed, and keep sending me good, positive energy. Over the next few days, we're going to be canning some of the most exciting stuff there is to can. I'm going to need all of that energy which is infused with love and encouragement and just you in capital. Send it my way, okay? Dugda. Thank you, guys. Ijazat, I'll catch up with you again shortly. And maybe I'll go live from the set. Catch you later. Bye.